Hello, office here. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What a wonderful crowd here in our boardroom. Good morning, and thank you for attending our briefing today. We are thrilled to introduce yet another important component of DuPage County's approach to strengthening our social service safety net, introducing 211 service to our county. As you may know, earlier this year, the DuPage County Board utilized federal funds from the American Rescue Plan Act, as we affectionately call ARPA, as well as other funding to assist in the purchase and establishment of a permanent interim housing center with DuPage pads. We also created an historic partnership with the DuPage Foundation, dedicating $10 million to support local social service agencies who help us tackle food insecurity, housing instability, mental health, and substance use disorder through our DuPage Community Transformation Partnership. And this morning, we're here to announce that if you need non-emergency help paying your rent, finding food, getting counseling, or other social services that could be approaching emergency, trained specialists are now available to our residents any time of the day or night by dialing 3 simple digits 211. Starting today, DuPage residents can get connected, get help. We are thrilled to offer expanded access to trained referral specialists, which was previously only available during weekday business hours. Now residents can dial 211 anytime, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and they will reach specialists who will listen to their needs, identifying underlying issues, and connect them to available community resources. This service is available because DuPage County Board allocated $1.6 million from federal funds from the American Rescue Plan Act to support the creation of 211 in DuPage County. And the expanded service is also made possible in partnership with the Village of Addison. Mayor Rich Veenstra is here with us. Thank you very much for stepping up. The Addison Consolidated Dispatch Center will field calls in the evening, overnight, weekdays, and holidays, providing true 24/7 coverage, and we are very, very grateful. So how and when should you call 211? Well, I'm going to introduce board member Julie Renahan, chair of our Health and Human Services Committee, to tell us a bit more about how 211 works. Julie?
Thank you, Chairman. So it's been said 211 is the number to call when you don't know who to call. 211 is an important service used by millions of people across North America and now in DuPage County. Everyday clients contact 211 to access free and confidential crisis and emergency counseling, disaster assistance, food, healthcare, insurance assistance, stable housing, and utilities payment assistance, employment services, veteran services, childcare, and family services. 211 provides expert caring help. No matter the situation, the specialists at 211 listen. They identify underlying problems and connect people in need with resources and services in their community that improve lives. 211 meets real needs in real time. In 2019 alone, 211s in the U.S. made more than 14 million connections to life-changing support and resources. There is no other network in the country that has a similar pulse on America's needs. In fact, in DuPage County, we expect 30 to 40,000 calls in the next year alone. DuPage County 211 operators are local, providing resources right here in our community. And 211 does more than patch people through to agencies. 211 specialists are trained to identify and address root causes of clients' problems and connect them with a wide range of available resources to meet all their underlying needs, not just the one that might have prompted the call. And again, the service is free, available to everyone in DuPage County. Now here's our call to action. You can help us get the word out about 211 service. Our new 211 website is 211dupage.gov, which will provide all the same resources and connections as a phone call. And just to give you an idea, we will be engaged in a promotional campaign beginning today with this ad provided by the National 211 Services. Can we roll the video, please?
Life. It can get on top of you quickly, can't it? Missed bills, housing troubles, employment issues. It can be overwhelming, but with 211, it only takes one step to get connected to the help you need. 211 specialists are trained to help you overcome seemingly impossible challenges, however complex they are. 211 is always available to help, so get in touch today.
All right, great. So please remember, let our residents know when you don't know who to call 211 if you need help in counseling or other kinds of social services. I'd like to especially recognize our ETSB Chair and HHS Vice Chair, Greg Schwarzy, for his commitment to this initiative, and also to our Community Services Director Keating and staff member Gina Strafford Ahmed. And with that, please allow me to thank Addison Mayor Rich Veenstra and representatives of Addison Consolidated Dispatch Center for their valuable partnership. Mayor Veenstra, please say a few words.
Thank you, Julie. The Addison Consolidated Dispatch Center has been providing emergency 911 fire and police dispatch services for the last 11 years. Currently, ACDC dispatches to 17 municipalities and agencies throughout DuPage County. Today, ACDC is proud to be part of the rollout of the county's new 211 program and join DuPage Community Services in providing an additional level of service to our residents. Our call center team has been trained to respond to crisis and emergency counseling needs, as well as to various social and economic needs, including food, healthcare, employment, and housing. Simply put, 211 is the number to call when you don't know what number to call. ACDC will assist DuPage County Community Services by providing overnight, weekend, holiday call center coverage. Addison and the staff of ACDC are truly proud to be part of such an important resource for all of DuPage County. Thank you, Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Mayor, and thank you, Chairman, Chair Renahan, and thank you for all the county board members. We have Mary Ozog, we have Paula Garcia, we have Pete DeCiani, Greg Schwarzy, Dawn DeSart, and Liz Chaplin are all joining me up here. And this is a significant day in DuPage County government. We've reached a number of milestones and I think significant achievements recently. And I think this is one that I think we can all be proud of. So here at this point in time, I'm happy to try to answer any questions you may have about how 211 works. Some of the challenges. Yes, good question. Yes, we have an expert in that area.
Gina Strafford Ahmed, STRAFFORD-AHMED. Staff has been put through a rigorous training process through the Alliance of Information and Referral Systems, and as well as through our WellSky database system. So they've been through about 4 weeks of training and have significant information has been given to them about local resources. They've been trained how to use the resource database as well as to screen people and help them understand what needs they might have and how to refer to people for help to refer people out to meet their needs. So. They are all, yes, these services are definitely local, and we do have national services like 800 numbers, for national services, but all these services are locally based or would serve people who live in DuPage County.
Stay up here.
I will. We use, we do have on staff, staff who speak Spanish. We have other staff who speak other languages, and we use tele-interpreters and some other telephonic interpreter services. I think there are over 200 languages that we have access to in several moments' notice.
Any other questions?
We have over 1,000 resources in our database that we can refer individuals to, which would be food pantries. So People's Resource Center has 2 main food pantries in Westmont and here in Wheaton. We have Catholic Charities, which provides a variety of services, case management, rental assistance. We have our own internal services. We provide low-income home energy assistance program here at the county, as well as the township support us in that. So we would refer out to townships, financial services, township services, all those types of things that people would be calling about. We could refer them to aging services, disability services. So all of those we have ready access at 211dupage.gov. And I would definitely encourage you to look at that database and review those resources, because that is our lifeline for these individuals who call us.
Greg? Sure. There you go.
I would love to, my name is Dawn Dessart, D-W-N, capital D-E, capital S-A-R-T. I'm a DuPage County Board Member for District 5. And I just want to reassure anybody who calls 211 that these services are completely, absolutely confidential. I wanted to underscore that point. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. This has been a wonderful event in our history, and thank you for joining us this morning. Thank you to our team to put this together. Thank you to the chief over there. I see all is good. So thank you and have a great day.